Longtime users that have been using the platform report cost savings of between 40 to 60% over costs experienced using traditional sampling and reporting methods. It's because the platform saves time and effort in every category of work. In the field technicians report time savings of up to 20 to 40% because they no longer have to spend time searching for sample locations, filling out sample bottle labels, or sitting in the parking lot of a laboratory hand filling out a chain of custody on 3-part triplicate paper minutes before the lab closes. Probably the biggest area of savings is in report preparation. Again, we typically save users about 40 to 60% of their time on a typical project, and we have lots of testimonials to prove that. This brings us to our pricing. As mentioned numerous times, the project management tool, the mobile field app, and the lab login app are all free. Again, it's not just a free trial, it's free forever. We do charge a small fee for the graphics reporting package. Again, the reporting package is optional, it's not required. About 95% of our users decide to opt into the reporting because of the value provided and the quality of the reports. Our fee structure is based on the amount of usage. It's typically called, in the software industry, a metered subscription model. Fees are calculated based on the volume of samples and field data collected and only charged if you opt into the reporting feature subscription. The price per sample cost is based on volume, so depending on the volume of samples that your company typically averages per month, we'll quote you a price between $7 and $12 per sample. If you have significant volumes, we can provide an even better price than the $7. If you're not opting into our reporting requirements and you want to only use the field app and export to Equis or another platform, we do have a small fee for that export, and again the fee will depend on the volume. Typically, the export fee will range between 50 cents and $4 per location. If you've opted into the reporting features, you are allowed reporting on unlimited analytical parameters and allowed unlimited graphics generation. You can run as many graphics and as many types of graphics as desired. There's no limit on these services. If you've opted into the reporting, all historical data is uploaded for free. Let's say your project has 40 years of data. We go by the day you started the project within the platform, and any data and samples collected prior to that date can be uploaded at no cost. We only charge for samples going forward from the day you start the project. The reporting functionality will be available on both new samples and historical samples if you've opted into the reporting. Also, there is no per-user fee. You can have as many users as you like. Our theory is, more users means more samples. Everyone in the company can have an account. There are no other fees. There's no startup fee, there's no monthly fee, there's no annual fee. We only charge for new samples collected going forward on that project. Then we bill you monthly for the projects that have reporting turned on. For instance, if you have 10 projects in the platform and you sampled 3 projects last month that required reporting, we're going to send you an invoice for those 3 projects on 3 separate invoices. What this allows users to do is to then take that invoice and pass it on directly as a project cost to that project client. This allows you to pass costs on directly to your customer without having to adjust your overhead and administrative costs for software subscription fees. It's actually one of the features that customers really like about our billing process. Getting started is fairly simple. Sign up for an account and then go through our built-in online training. You'll see these little circles with an eye in them all throughout the platform. Those circles contain links to instructions on that particular item. In this example, we have brief instructions and a video on how to generate groundwater flow contours. By clicking on the eye, it opens up a video showing you exactly how to use that part of the platform. Most of the videos are between 1 and 4 minutes long, so training is quick and concise. For first-time users, from start to finish for training, and setting up a new project is about 3 to 4 hours total. After the first project, each new project setup should only take you about 30 to 45 minutes depending on the size of the project. Project management from that point on is just a matter of minutes per event.